Well, welcome to week 9. In week 9, we're just continuing what we did in week 8. We're drafting, we're working on this memo. And what you're going to do is you're going to complete another summary section and the reference list. Now remember, your reference list is one source only. It's going to be how you cited Gemini, the AI, the generative AI. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use a template. Remember, that's mandatory. You're going to draft a second summary. You're going to cite your usage in textually. Here's how: narrative, parenthetical, how to cite it, and you're going to copy and paste that into the discussion box again. You're going to peer review it. You're going to give someone feedback on what they're done. Remember, constructive feedback, not, oh, this looks good. We practice, well, I don't understand this. Are you sure this citation is correct? Okay, and there's no underscore reflection again. And again, here is the memo that you're going to be using, the format for it, the instructions on how to do it. And there's a Project 2 sample available. Here's what it looks like. Cited sources, more than one paragraph, a summary, not a reflection, a summary, not a reflection, cite. Now they may only have one cite in this because I think last semester, that's all I called for was one. And you have 2 in here. Okay. Again, citations, the feedback, how they thought it went, their interaction with using the AI, and here's the conclusion they wrote, and their one source in the reference list. Okay, that is all I have on the lecture. Again, we're just working on drafting right now. We're just working on drafting. So that's it. Again, if you have questions for me, email me or inbox me. If you've got questions that will benefit the whole class, put them in the extra credit. Also, remember, you can get extra credit for going to the Writing Center. Okay, and our Gemini has provided us with the checklist for citing, citation style, reference list, professional check. Okay, so that's all we have. It's here. It's just this part of the semester. It's just working and working and writing and drafting. Remember, writing's not a linear process. It's an iterative process. So you can work a little on one section, get bored, go work another section, get bored, go back to that section. That's all I have. Bye.